The final DCC electrical consideration is the programming of both mobile and accessory or fixed decoders. While it's possible to program decoders on the fly on the main line, this isn't generally good practices. You don't want to lose control of that expensive locomotive and have it go into the turn at the end of your layout at warp speed. The best thing you can do for your equipment is to create a separate programming track, on which the control station places programming pulses at a much lower current rating to prevent the locomotive motor from turning while you are changing the configuration variables in the decoder. One convenient method is to create an isolated passing siding which can be switched manually for either line or decoder programming operation. The drawing shows the wiring of a single-ended programming segment. Note that if this segment is on the main line or on a passing siding, insulated joiners must be placed on both ends of the segment, not just one end. The one thing we haven't yet covered is some wiring technical details. As previously mentioned, a typical power booster will supply about 5 amps or less of current. At this power level, number 14 or number 12 solid hookup wire should be used for the bus runs, with number 16 or number 18 drop wires to the track connections. Soldering the track drops to the bus wire works fine. Be sure to insulate the solder connection with shrink wrap tubing if you do. Otherwise, use the ubiquitous suitcase wire splice connector to connect the track drops to the main bus. Just be sure that you use the appropriate size connector for the wire size you are using. A worthwhile investment is a cheap multimeter to help you troubleshoot any issues with the wiring design or installation. $15 to $20 should get you one that works fine.